What's up, you guys? Welcome back to Naturally Xandra. Today's video is going to be a video that I kind of figured it would be good to do this video because I know a lot of people struggle with this concept. Today's video is going to be how to twist your hair. This is for people that need an idea of how to twist hair because not everybody knows how to do twist outs. Not everybody knows, so I'm here to teach you, and we're going to walk through this step with no audio. I'm just gonna let music play and give you a tutorial, maybe do a voiceover. So enjoy this video. And if you like this video, make sure you subscribe and thumbs up the video for more videos like this. So we're gonna get into the tutorial. So you guys, I'm going to section my hair off into 2 sections. Now to perform a twist out, the key is to have 2 equal sections, as equal as you can get it, because that's going to help with the evenness of the ends. So as you see here, I'm going to wrap the left side around the right side. So you basically your goal is to wrap each strand around each other. So I'm just taking the left, switching it to my other right hand finger, taking the left, switching it to the right hand finger, taking the left, switching it to the right hand finger. So it's kind of like you're wrapping one strand around the other strand. Now I'm going slow for you guys in this video so you can really focus in on what I'm doing and like my mannerisms of my hand. So I know for me, I'm a very visual person and I'm also hands-on. So try to practice this on someone else's hair or practice this on your hair, and I guarantee you will pick up on how to twist. So this is the finished product. That's the finished product. So that's a twist, you guys. It's that simple. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, once again, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you thumbs up the video to show you like this video and you enjoyed this tutorial. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.